Hey guys, welcome to Pecan Grove. Today I'm going to be announcing the winner of a t-shirt, and we're going to be talking just a second about the Danny corn. This morning I was vacuum sealing some of the cornmeal we made from Danny corn, and we're going to be doing that as some Christmas gifts for family, and I thought, hey, one of our next giveaways will probably be some Danny cornmeal. We're going to do a package to somebody probably in the next 2 or 3 days. So comment if you'd like to try the Danny corn. It's about 2 cups of Danny corn in a vacuum sealed bag. I'll probably put it into a linen bag that I bought some just cotton bags, and that way it won't leak out on anything, but it is vacuum sealed. I also made some cornbread, y'all. Look at this. This is the sweet potato cornbread. Isn't that beautiful? Has a great taste to it. I boiled the sweet potatoes, mashed them. The sweet potato cornbread is cornbread with a touch of a sweet taste. You just take a regular, how you make cornbread, whichever way you like to make your cornbread, and I added brown sugar and mashed potatoes to it. Mixed it up in there, and you might want to add a touch of more oil to it, maybe another egg if you need to, but if you're not putting too many eggs into it. But this one I did a big pone here. You can see I did a big section. Danny loves this sweet potato cornbread, and it goes great with soups and stews. You'd think sweet. It's just a hint of sweet. It's just perfect for anything you want to add it to. Greens, oh, you've got your sweet potato, your cornbread, and you add some greens to it, you're perfect. So we're going to be giving away, the next item will be some Danny cornmeal in the next day or two. We'll announce a winner, comment below. The t-shirts. Danny's daughter Carrie has a website that she set up. It's rcfdesigns.com, and on there she has the t-shirts, she has the tumblers, and she's added a kitchen towel with the bluebird design on it. She's going to do one with Deepsouth Homestead, and she'll probably do others. If you have any designs you'd like to see, you can message Carrie on the rcfdesigns.com website. There should be a place on there for you to just message her if you have some type of design you'd like to see on a t-shirt, a tumbler, or on a kitchen towel. They're going to be offering many other things, signs and different things along the way before long. If you want to order anything for Christmas through December the 13th, she's ordering 20% off, and the code is RCF 2024. RCF 2024 for 20% off Carrie's site. It is Rustic Charm Fields or rcfdesigns.com. So the winner, y'all want to know, is Miss Christy Winnecke. It's CHRISTYWINNECKE 7786 is the winner of the Calculus t-shirt. Y'all, I helped design this shirt. I love this shirt mainly because it's candy, and the idea came from Jen, a friend of ours from the Nut House. She lived in California, now in Arkansas. She gave me the Calculus idea. I just went with it and designed the shirt, and Carrie made it happen. Most of the designs on Carrie's site is Carrie's designs, and she's come up with a lot of great ones. The Cadillacin shirt, Danny loves that one. Most people like You're Never Too Old to Play in the Dirt. So we may be giving away other things like the kitchen towels with the bluebirds on them. That's going to be on possibly tomorrow night on Deepsouth Homestead, the live stream. We may have a couple of different things we're going to be doing there and giving away. So y'all check out the live stream at 7 p.m. Central Time now. We're in the wintertime we do 7, in the summer we do 8, and that is Central Time, and it is on Deepsouth Homestead. We will keep our live streams and porch time on Deep South Homestead. All other videos dealing with the farm are here on Pecan Grove now. So, guys, y'all check out Carrie's site, rcfdesigns.com. We'll talk to y'all later, and comment if you'd like to try the Danny cornmeal, that is. See you later.